viewers, how are you all? Today I am going to tell you about natural remedies. Squeeze one lemon with tablespoon of olive oil and you will remember me for the rest of your life. Viewers, recently more and more people have started to look for alternatives in the natural medicine, and very effective methods and treatments were discovered that are also very cheap. Also, these natural remedies are able to prevent from side effects and diseases. Viewers, huge amount of toxins is accumulated inside our body every day. The main organs in our body, the intestines, kidneys and the liver are constantly fighting against these toxins to eliminate them from our body, therefore filtering us from any harmful substances. Lemon and olive oil are very beneficial ingredients. This combo will quickly detox your body, prevent from inflammations, infections, and many other diseases which can be very dangerous. Mixing lemon and olive oil together will create a mixture that is able to stimulate your immune system and protect it from internal and external seizures. Viewers, the lemon has one of the most powerful properties, and the same case is with the olive oil. So, can you even imagine what the combo of these two is capable of? Now I will tell you how to create the olive oil and the lemon mixture. The mixture preparation is pretty mild. You should put them in a larger container in equal amounts. And this mixture will be the richest source of many vitamins and minerals. Now viewers, we will see the benefits of consuming olive oil and lemon. Number 1. Rheumatic and articular pains. It has very powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It has one of the strongest fighting abilities against many diseases and issues, as well as pains. Number 2. Maintains gallbladder and liver balanced. We can diagnose that our body is poisoned because we can feel the heaviness, tiredness and swollen parts, and this mixture has the ability to prevent from these symptoms. 3. Cardioprotective effect. Do you know what? The olive oil is very high in fat acids. Therefore, it is able to eliminate bad cholesterol, boost your blood flow and control it as well, therefore keeping a normal blood flow, and it is also able to supply our body with many vitamins, and it has strong anti-inflammatory properties. Number 4. Fights constipation. With this beneficial combo, you will manage to activate the function of your bladder, also lubricate your digestive mucosa with it. This combo is filled with many antioxidants, therefore supporting us to eliminate toxins from our body. Number 5. Strengthen hair, nails and skin. If you want to make fragmented, fragile and weak nails stronger, then you should create a mixture of a single tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and in that mixture you should soak your nails for about 10 minutes. Then you can add it before going to bed as well. You can even wear some cotton gloves to keep the mixture active and let it penetrate the nails. Viewers, if you want a hair without dandruff and to make it strong and shiny, lemon and olive oil are the answer. And the abilities of the lemon and its powerful antiseptic properties have the ability to treat many skin issues and diseases. In order to achieve these goals, keep your hair shiny and healthy, you should simply make some lemon juice with a tablespoon of olive oil and drink that mixture. The remedy was previously tried by many people, and each one of them reported positive effects and only improvements. Viewers, do you know what? The remedy was previously tried by many people, and each one of them reported very positive effects and only improvements. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for daily new videos.